Join me as I dive into the extravagant lives of NFL stars and see if I can guess how much each of their lavish items really costs. You think you know what it means to live large, but NFL stars take luxury to a whole new level. From dripping in diamonds to sipping champagne on private jets, these athletes know how to indulge. And today, we're about to expose just how far their wealth takes them. When you're an NFL player, every move you make is under a microscope, and that includes how you spend your money. Critics love to jump on these players for splurging on lavish items, saying they're being irresponsible with their wealth. But can you blame them? They've worked hard to get where they are, and they deserve to treat themselves. But on the other hand, fame can be a curse when it comes to financial decisions. Without a solid financial foundation, these players can easily fall victim to get-rich-quick schemes or poor investments. Not to mention,